Are you a good neighbor?
Hello? Please, turn down the music.
Why did you turn off my music?
Because it is too loud, and we are trying to sleep. Look.
Oh, how am I supposed to dance then?
You can put on your headphones.
But I don't have headphones.
I heard about a competition where the grand prize is a pair of headphones. Here, look.
Wow, that's great! Thanks, Miss Sandy Mouse. I will win that competition.
Oh.
Welcome to our competition. Meet our competitors, Lindsay and Heidi.
Today, you will be tested for speed, agility, and knowledge. First test, you need to show your agility and accuracy.
Help Heidi hit the colored balls into the holes. Good accuracy. Good accuracy. Excellent work. Good accuracy. Well done. You did a good job.
Heidi, it's not fair when you play like that.
But I really need to win.
If you want to win, follow the rules. Lindsay won this round.
Don't worry, Heidi. You can do it. Play fair and don't cheat. Now you need to show your knowledge. Can you count? Of course. Sure.
Help Heidi to solve math problems faster than Lindsay. Write the numbers on the board. Write the numbers on the board. Write the numbers on the board. Excellent work. 1 plus 2 equals 3.
Let's see who has more correct answers. The winner for this round is Heidi. Cool!
The last test, a sack race. This round will determine who gets the grand prize. Headphones.
Oh, how I really want those headphones!
On your mark, get set, go!
Help Heidi get to the finish line first. Tap the screen to jump over an obstacle.
And the first one to cross the finish line is Heidi, the winner of our competition.
Hooray!
Heidi wins the grand prize. Congratulations. Well done.
Lindsay, you get the prize for second place.